When running OONI probe, we discussed that we can do this by clicking on the Run button at the top of the dashboard in order to run all tests. But having to remember to manually run tests every single day can be quite tedious. And it's important to run tests regularly every day in order to be able to explore how censorship potentially changes over time and on an ongoing basis. This is particularly necessary in countries where censorship events change on an ongoing basis, particularly in correlation to political events, such as during elections or protests. So how can we ensure that OONI probe is run on a regular basis, contributing regular measurements without the hassle of having to remember to manually run OONI probe every day? The answer to this question is automated OONI probe testing. You can very easily enable automated OONI probe testing through the settings of the app. If we click on the settings, we will see below that there is an option here around automated testing. By default, this is disabled. However, in running tests, you may have received a pop-up asking you if you want to enable it. If you haven't already enabled automated testing, you may want to do so through the settings of the app. To enable automated testing, all you need to do is select the option for running tests automatically. By enabling this option, OONI probe will automatically run tests multiple times per day without even requiring you to remember to run OONI probe or to do anything. Particularly on mobile, the way that automated testing works is that it only runs tests automatically when your phone is charging and when you're connected to Wi-Fi. This is done in order to ensure that we don't end up over-consuming your battery and your data. However, through the OONI probe mobile app, you will also see that if you want, you can also ensure that automated testing happens regardless of Wi-Fi connection and data use. As OONI probe will run automatically multiple times per day, your test results are automatically published on OONI Explorer, but you will not find them on the test results section. The reason for this is very simple. If we were to display your test results from automated testing in the test results, it would very quickly be flooded with far too many test results. That is why we only display them on OONI Explorer, where you and the broader community can find them and benefit from these tests. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you have a VPN enabled, OONI probe will not run tests automatically. In general, we recommend running OONI probe with your VPN turned off in order to ensure accurate testing. Because if your VPN is enabled, instead of measuring and capturing potential censorship on your local network, you would instead be measuring a different connection, which is likely uncensored. That is why we generally recommend that your VPN is turned off when you run OONI probe, and automated OONI probe testing will only take place if your VPN is turned off. We strongly recommend enabling automated testing so that you can easily contribute many measurements on a regular basis and help the internet freedom community explore and investigate and fight internet censorship over a long period of time.